Number 6, we're asked to convert this quadratic from vertex form into standard form and intercept form. So the first thing I would choose is to convert it to standard form, because in order to convert it to intercept form, you're going to need to factor it, which it needs to be in standard form for. So for standard form, looking at the x plus 2 squared, I need to kind of unravel this out, multiply it all out, because standard form does not have parentheses. So if I have x plus 2 squared, that means I have x plus 2 times x plus 2, because that exponent just means I have 2 of those, and then bring down the minus 4. So if I need to multiply a 2 by 2, a binomial and another binomial, you can either use a box method or distributing. I'm going to choose distributing. So I need to distribute the x to both terms in the second parentheses. X times x is x squared. Distributing the x to the next term, x times 2 is 2x. Now that I distributed the x, now I need to distribute the 2 to both terms in the second parentheses. So 2 times x is 2x, and then 2 times 2 is 4. Don't forget to bring down this minus 4 as well. So now looking at my list of terms, I'm going to combine like terms. X squared, there's nothing to combine with it. 2x's plus 2x's, if I combine both of these, the signs are both positive, so 2x's plus 2x's is 4x's, so plus 4x. And then looking at my last two terms, I have a positive 4 and a negative 4. That cancels out. So my final standard form just has two terms. So I have f of x equals x squared plus 4x. So I'm actually going to rewrite that in the intercept form. Intercept form just means the factored form. So now that's an expanded or standard form. To factor this, I would decide on what factoring method I'm using, first, second, or third. Well, the only method that would work here is method number 1, GCF, because they both share an x. So I could factor out an x. What would be left? Well, x times x gets me back to x squared. Bring down your plus sign. And then x times 4 would get me back to 4x. So my final intercept form is x parentheses x plus 4.